These are all programs that offer certifications in different areas that will allow our students to get great jobs and more importantly get paid well so that they can in turn go to college while they're working and be successful.
Like they give you like a help, like if you don't know like what's gonna be like when you get older, like you decide like I'm gonna be like a police, border patrol, a mechanic.
Ella de un principio dijo que ella quería ser bombero. Ella ya vio qué es lo que va a pensar, ¿verdad?
The three main ones I liked was like the police one, the firefighter one, and the paramedic.
Makes them aware of the opportunities that they have and many other different job opportunities that they could get after high school.
Oh, I think this is very powerful, this event, especially for families, for them to actually be able to, create a pathway for their future.